This is our LittleBits project. We made a helicopter out of little bits. We used a toilet roll and lots of circuits for this. We used pipe cleaners as our propellers. The battery is the thing that makes it function with power. These are some views of our helicopter. This is the LED light on the back. Now, this is the toilet paper roll we used for our body. This is the battery which conducted the energy. This is where we connected our wires for extra longer input. And this is our LED light for the front. And this is our motor to make the propellers move. And this is the other motor to make the other propeller move in the back. This is how it would look all together.
As a team.
Thank you.
Made by Eduardo A.
Made by Eduardo G.
Made by Eric.
Made by Omar Reyes.